welcome back to day 2 of the 12 days of Sophie in the City. Today I am doing a Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer inspired makeup look, as you can tell from my bright red nose and my Rudolph ears. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to like and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the little notifications bell so you know when I've uploaded. And I hope you enjoy the video. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so I've done my foundation and all of that. I know I look a bit yellow, it's because my foundation is the wrong colour, okay? I should have tan on, but I don't. But yes. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just do some contouring and some blush to get this look having a bit more life than it already does. I use my crusty old NYX palette. I need to get a new one. And then I'm going to take my Morphe M405 brush and I'm just going to dip into this one here and just do my cheekbones on by here. Ordinary brush and I'm going to take my Rimmel London natural bronzer. I'm going to apply that to my cheeks and my forehead. What I'm going to do is really exciting. I'm going to do the blush. But with this blush, there's obviously the really bright bit. So what I'm going to do is, because it's kind of like a Rudolph the reindeer look, what I'm going to do is just take it like this and on my nose, I'm going to pat it on my nose because I want a nice reindeer looking red nose, don't I? So what we're going to do is the eyes. I'm just going to do basic colours for the eyes because I feel like the nose is the centerpiece of the face for Rudolph. So that's what I'm going to do. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Morphe 3503 makeup palette, the Fierce by Nature palette, because this has got some like browns in it as well, some brown tones, which I think will be really cute. This is just a subtle look. You don't have to do something really over the top if you don't want to. But you can do Christmas colours if you want. Like I've got my little reindeer thing in. You could always do red and green or any kind of Christmas colours that you want. But for this one, I'm just going to do some subtle browns. So my face is just the main feature. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get on to doing the eyes. You can totally see how my face is a different colour to my neck. So like I said, I'm taking the 3503 Morphe palette and using the brown colours in this. And then I'm also going to take... I've lost it. I'm going to take my Morphe M441 blending brush. I'm just going to take some browns. I'm going to take this brown that's here. Can you see that? And I'm just going to apply that to the inside of my eyeball. I'm going to go in with more of an orange colour and I'm going to use this one here. I'm going to apply that. is just to itchy nose. I'm then going to dip into one of these little browns on the bottom, probably this light one here, and what I'm going to do is just smoke that out at the sides. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this brush and I'm just going to take one of these colours. So I'll just take one of the browns from this colour, probably take this one here, just apply that to the lash line. So what next I'm going to do is take my Revolution glitter palette. This doesn't have a colour shade, but I'm going to take one of these many glitter colours and I'm going to take this one here because it's a nice subtle colour. I'm just going to apply that onto my lid. Hopefully I can do it with then what I'm going to do is take one of these pink, I'm going to take my NYX Vivid Bright eyeliner and I'm just going to eyeline over the top of my eyes, like so. Got it on my hands. Finally, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just do my eyelashes like I normally would. Now what I'm going to do is do my face with the Rudloph look. So what I'm going to do is just put a little bit more red onto my nose using the Morphe palette that I was using before, the 3503, and I'm just going to take my finger and I'm going to take this red here. I'm just going to apply this to the nose to make it a bit darker. So I've put some freckles on, you might be able to see. What I'm going to do now is just rub them in with my finger so they're not as in your face as they seem. Okay, so finally what I'm going to do is just put on some of my red lipstick to go with my red nose. What I'm using is the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Anna Nicole. So this is my reindeer inspired look. Obviously I've got my little red nose and some little freckles, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give it a like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell so you know when I upload again on the 12 days of Sophie in the City, and I'll see you very soon for another day of the 12 days. Thank you for watching.